Hey guys, Rich here with the Tool Swing. I'm going to show you how I've used over the years a belt sander or belt grinder, kind of as a lathe. I'll kind of show you how you do it. Don't forget to check out my website, toolswing.com. These tool swings will be available soon. This is a Hercules belt sander, belt grinder. But all my drills are just 1/2 inch. I don't have anything bigger, but I've used this time and time again over the years. Let's say I want to turn something around down a little bit. Half inch is all that I've ever been able to go because of the drill. Well, a while back I found this 3/4 chuck, and then I believe it is JT3 taper, and you can go, I found a JT3 to 1/2 inch shank, so now I can chuck up anything up to 3/4 now. Say I want to, I don't know, take this 3/4 down for whatever reason. Better tighten her up. Always use safety. But anyway, I've used that over the years. I also made this deal here, this kind of a, where it'll go into a 1/2 inch drill. Say if you got something bigger, I think I can fit in there 1 inch and 3/4 in there, but just loosen it up. These bolts, I just got bolts to hold it in there. And of course I got it adapted so it'd fit into a 1/2 inch drill. But kind of takes a minute to get it centered in there, but you just put it in your drill and check it. Looks like I've got it off just a little. You kind of just see by where the house, how far the bolts are sticking in there. And then, of course, I just want to smooth that up a little bit. And same time, I'm going to test out this Hercules belt sander. I'm going to go ahead and get the big chunk off quick. Now I've got it fairly smooth. And let's say I want to take that down maybe a 1/16 for whatever reason. I'm just using this as an example. Then it can go on here. Of course, if you know your measurement, you get something to measure it, but just stuff like that works really well. If you don't have a lathe, you can get by. It's not going to be as precise. Another thing I do a lot is, like this rusty bolt. I do this a lot, especially with like the side case motorcycle bolts you want to clean up. You can just chuck them up in your drill. You want to get the heads clean, get your wire wheel going, and want to clean the whole bolts out. I guess there's just a lot of different ways to use stuff like that. Main thing is, I want you to check out the tool swing. Go to toolswing.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe.